Using CapCut, you can easily create a video and export it. This is a very short video, but which will show you from beginning to end how to import all your media files, video files, image, everything, and finally export your video. So let's see how we can do this thing. Once you open CapCut, then we have to choose create project. I'm going to click create project, and very shortly the create project window will be opened. Now it will look like this. In this side we'll see different options are there. In the top there are different options like media, audio, text, so many things. So to import our videos or clips or images or audios, at first we need to go to the folder where we have. So right now I see, so these are the folder where I see my videos, then audio and images there. So what we need to do, we just need to select everything or the particular media or audio which we want to import. We have to select that thing or all of them, and then we have to drag and drop it inside here, and very shortly we'll see everything is imported. Now we can choose which one we need to make the video, actually by using which of them. So suppose this is a video, so if we try to play, if we click here, it will start playing like that. We can pause it or you can play it to check the preview. So this is on video. So suppose I want to add a video based on these three things. This is a video, this is a music, and this is a image file. So I'm going to drag this thing and I'm going to put it over here, and the video is added in this playlist. Now there is a song, so this is just a simple song. So I want to add this song with this video, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to add it here like that by dragging, and then I'm going to add it over there. Now this is a long song, so if I want to decrease the song size, we can also decrease that. And for the beginning, I want to add this image of this video, so I'm going to drag and drop it over here like this, and then I can change the duration till how long it will show. So right now it is showing like this many seconds. Let's see how it's showing, and then we can also decrease the size of this audio because we don't need this audio. It's a short video, so we can actually we can decrease the size. So we need to scroll at the bottom means at the end, and then we can drag till we want the audio to keep it. So this is my video, so I'm going to keep it over like that, this long, and here at the beginning this will be the image. So if we want to increase or decrease the size of the image, we can also do, but I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to show you how we can make it faster to create a video. Now if we want to check the preview, we can play it and we'll see that this is the image and then the audio is playing with the video like that. And once we create everything over here, I mean once we are satisfied with everything, all modification or adding music or clips, everything, then it's time to export this thing to save it. We can click this export feature. If we click here, it will bring like this window. Now here we have to give a name of this video and the location where we want to save. Right now it is showing here, but you can choose the location where you want to save, and then these are the settings. And finally we need to click the export. Once we click export, the video file will be saved over here. Okay, and right now this video will be rendered in 1080p pixel. If we want to make 2K, we can click here, or 4K, we can also click here, and then finally we can export. After the export, we can use this video for playing or to upload YouTube or some other social platform. And in this way we can create a video from beginning till end by using all the footage like video files, audio files, and images.